If your students love working in study groups or with a peer on their assignments, you can create a group chat on paper by creating a paper assign just for them. This will allow those students to work together online with the help of a tutor whenever they need for an indefinite amount of time. When you create a new assignment under the Assignment tab, you can create a title that includes the students' names and instructions that let the tutor know that this is an open group chat for students to collaborate on their schoolwork. You can also attach files if you wish. You can choose the start date to be as soon as today and make the end date the last day of school so that your students can continue to use this group chat for the remainder of the school year. Finally, you can then choose which students have access to this group chat by creating a custom group. Select your section and then choose the students who will be able to work together. And when you're finished, don't forget to create the assignment. Your students will be able to find this group chat under their assignment tile on their dashboard momentarily.